Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to select the fuel type on the Sygic application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. New, click to the three lines at the upper right corner of the screen, and here you can find the second button, the settings. Click that, and in the general section you can find the last option, the fuel type. Click that, and you can select the gas, diesel, LPG, CNG, ethanol and flex, and just select one, for example the LPG, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.